Oh, that's actually kind of a good idea. So right now we're working on our Christmas presentation, or sorry, assembly. Martha is painting, as you can see. This is what we have so far. It's a skyline of New York. And here, it's Cam's birthday! Forgot! It's a video. This is Emma's brother, a fave. Your face! Okay, they're still painting. We've done a lot more. Business leadership. I painted 2 of the lights that are back there. You can kind of see them peeking out with Emma. I did that. So yeah. Oh, she's right there.
Guys, look at this beautiful. Oh my god, you can make it 2 separate burgers.
Okay, so here's it. Here it is.
Can I move it? How does I need an apple?
Maybe after I have one.
I don't know how.
Hey guys, so today we're vlogging. I'm gonna focus. Today we're vlogging. I'm vlogging the whole week. Right now, we're setting up our school's bake sale for business leadership. Ryan, want to be at it?
Yeah, so we're gonna
Fire. Here's the setup right now. We have the tables. We got the bake sale sign. This is what we have. Literally nothing. Hot chocolate. Our mascot. This is our mascot head. Some just decor. The tables are set up. We got some trees in the back. Got Maddie. Okay, bye. So, Maddie, Ryan. Oh, we're taking a picture? Yeah. I did Vanessa.
You went off.
Okay, guys, look at all the food that we got. We also have a movie up there. We just can't see it. I set it up. And we got lots of people. Woo! And we also have the tiger up there. Guys! Hi! I have my hot chocolate.
Guys, hold out for leftovers.
Oh, so guys, we just had a full table. Like right there. It just like fell. Maddie went to go grab it and I'm a bar.
It's not though. It's not. Did you mind me? No, I literally went like this. I didn't even touch the table.
Nothing happened. Like
I didn't even touch the table, okay? It's just because the box are
It's been a long day.
Yeah. And the whole thing just
crap. To get like really plastic bags to put it in.
Is this Arnold? Nice. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, it is.
I hope so.
Oh my god, that's someone else.
Washroom break. Hi guys. Washroom break. We just to go to the toilet. How did I go to the toilet? Good. We ran out of class and our teacher was like, "Where are you guys going? What is happening?" And then we're just like, "Washroom." So now he thinks that we peed ourselves. Or maybe got our periods. I don't know. Bye. Just a block. Hey guys, I got my Guy Fieri cookie made by Vanessa. Are you kidding? We collected our things. There's also a plant sale happening, but we didn't buy them. Made it in the vlog. Yeah, she did. I just get them Guy Fieri. It does. Hi.
So cute. Welcome to Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dines. I'm gonna call my dad.
Message for Chrissy, you're doing great, sweetie.
Yeah, just for dad. Because he loves this dude.
He loves this dude.
Wait, do hedgehogs and Guy look similar?
What does Guy do?
That was rude.
What is that?
Your boyfriend might be a psychopath.
Charlotte called me a sociopath.
I'm kidding.
You just called me a sociopath.
Did you get it on camera though?
Day 2.
That's good enough.
We are chilling.
Hey guys, this is assembly.
Hey, bend down so you can be in it.
In what?
In this cool thing.
Oh, I'm really nervous. Grace gave us.
Did you see this? Just little cracks.
Grace gave me Rescue Remedy. My hair looks like this. I lost my scrunchie.
This is my sweater though.
It's really pretty. I don't think anyone's doing good today. Chrissy's phone got stepped on and cracked.
Oh, that was just now?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sound check.
There's backup. I don't even think it's backup. I think some girl is
He runs.
Okay. Do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year. It does surprise me.
Listen to the word. It's been a year. Sadie's taking pictures. I'm gonna take a video of her. She's so cute.
Let me just start this off.
Trying to get through these, I couldn't. Like, wait, were you doing these at work? No, I wasn't, but after work I did them.
Vlog. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Guys, so it's the last day before school, and I thought I wasn't gonna come today. Then my mom kicked me and woke me up. So here we are. She's still here? No, she can touch her. She can come and sit with me.
What do you believe? And that